Welcome to Donuts and Justice. Officers responded to a gas station regarding a snatch, theft, and assault. The investigation revealed the suspect had arranged to meet the victim via Facebook Marketplace to purchase an iPhone. Upon meeting, the suspect snatched the device and attempted to flee in his truck but lost control and crashed into a fuel pump. Witnesses on the scene intervened and detained the suspect on the ground until law enforcement arrived to take him into custody.
Work for y'all.
Who your daddy? Huh? He work? He got what? Oh, let me tell you. We're gonna talk, okay? We got a lot going on. It's your truck.
It's gonna be close to 12.
Your heartbeat, baby.
The suspect does that.
You not watching the news? You see all the crazy stuff we have? Got a little boy just like you yesterday night over a stupid pair of shoes. 10 days before Christmas. Something stupid. Come on, man. Max, I want you to turn that way.
Sorry, yeah, bro.
Yeah. I'm gonna fix you. Huh? You say you going to Right Street? I don't even know what all happened. You just asking me questions, right? So that means you must have did something, right?
I got you. Wait a second. That's right, damn, my glasses. I lost them. But damn,
Can we get his glasses real quick? We're gonna get your glasses. Let's go to my car, okay?
This one.
No officers, anything like that.
I got some money on me. I know I ain't
Got
gonna
some
do
money?
it.
Okay. It's not a search, it's just a pat down right
I
now.
know what he did.
Check this out.
I guess if you want the back side.
Besides doing this whole law enforcement thing, I love to educate, okay? Does this look like the appropriate place to make an exchange or a fine? Work with me.
I mean, I'm doing it for people.
You can do it in front of our Zone 3 precinct. We have a drop-off location.